Alright, the famous podcaster Jeffrey, if we know nothing about Jeffrey, I'm going to chat enough. And I'm going to talk, or I'm have on his mind. So we are give him the benefit of the doubt and we're going to listen to him and hear what him say.
The promoter them, I feel like on a field teacher. I'm gonna be real, on a field teacher. This was supposed to be a historic concert. It's supposed to be historic for Jamaica, and I feel like it missed the mark. When it comes down to the attendance, the stadium wasn't filled to capacity. And don't get me wrong, it was a good effort. But at the same time, I feel like, say, Downtown Records, I don't know how much in a pay cartel. We hear one crazy figure.
Alright, first and foremost, the live stream immediately upon the stadium look completely packed to me. Alright? Now, we never say Vybz Kartel like a sell out every seat, but them have a minimum of what them did expect for come. Now, I don't know if you gotta go count seat while you're supposed to be at the show, enjoy yourself. But you sound like you have a little bit of bitterness. I don't know if it come from the fact that you never get the interview. But you sound a little bitter, my friend. However, I don't think the promoters fail. I think the promoters did a great job. I think the promoters, only thing that I didn't like about the show is the 360 stage. And I think it should have been a stage, just one flat stage facing everybody facing the stage. So Vybz Kartel could have worked from left to right to center, right? Knowing his condition. Alright. So I don't know if you gotta go count seat. We appreciate the fact you count the seat them. I like you tell me how much seat their stadium comedy really and truly always wonder how much seat their stadium. But you sound a little bit of me G. I'm just gonna talk facts. You don't sound like somebody who actually genuinely go because you want to support Vybz Kartel. You see me? It sound like you just go for comeback, come say something. You see me? I could be wrong. But you're still in your close from the show. And the first thing you do, you don't have to get some sleep or whatever. Yes, we acknowledge your work ethics. We appreciate it. We love it because watch your thing. Watch your show. You understand me? I watch your show. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. I watch your show and I think you have some very good topics and some very good points. But at some time I just feel like you chat too much and sometimes you're more to your downfall, bro. You see me? That's just my honest opinion. I don't hate, but I'm just be honest. Sometimes you chat too much. Little bit too much. You see me? And again, that is your perspective. We can't kill you for your perspective. But you sound a little bit shaky. You sound a little bit jealousy because the fix got the interview and you didn't. I'm just saying. But, however, we're gonna make you finish.
But I don't know if that's why when they make the ticket price them so expensive, why the people them couldn't afford the ticket. Vybz Kartel can full that stadium to capacity.